Alright, well, this is what settled at the bottom of the oil drain. And remember, that was all clean. Everything was clean inside the motor, and the oil was brand new. That sludge that settled at the bottom from it sitting with the oil in it, that really looks like exhaust sludge. I mean, that really looks like exhaust sludge or something. I mean, I don't know, but it's at the bottom down here too. And you can see it's in this lip. Now this is the seal right here that we're worried about. And it didn't go on perfect. I mean, it's not perfectly straight or flush, it don't look like. But I looked around the lip, and I didn't see any bad spots in the lip. So I'm not sure. Let me see if I turn the light on. Oh, well, I can see better with this fucking camera than I could normally. So, alright. That almost looks like a bad spot. I don't know, but I got some soapy water. I haven't tried this yet. So I'm going to dab some soapy water on it, and I'm going to turn the motor over with the air impact. But this is the reverse thread bolt, so I got to go easy, and hopefully it doesn't actually take it off. I'm trying not to take it off, but I'll only get a couple tries at this, and I'll probably end up breaking that bolt loose. But I'm going to use this camera to help me see too, because I can't watch and do both. So let me get everything ready here. A little bit of alright, that's the wrong way. Okay, let's see what happens. That really looks like the bubbles. I really want to watch this side too. Let me switch hands and do it again. The bigger bubbles look like it was showing a leak. Ah, came loose. Shit. I didn't really see nothing that time. Well, I'm gonna stop the video, try to tighten it back down and try again, but I think it does have a leak, and I think that seal's okay, and it just isn't on there perfectly flush. But alright, yeah, I'm gonna stop the video and